Did I bring the hole punch? Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and my trusty sidekick, Jordan. I pulled him away from his video game. He got new video games for his birthday.
Oh, by the way.
So we are going to do some creative time today, and we are going to make some, what are we making?
A DIY birdhouse.
DIY birdhouse.
By the way. Now here's my sidekick.
Oh, I'm his sidekick. I'm sorry. All right, so we found a practical use for all those toilet paper holders that you have left over from all the toilet paper, right? So, and then I thought that would be kind of comical to use these. Anyway, so this is gonna be the base of our bird feeders. And, okay, let's put these over here. We're on our back deck, so it's kind of windy, so I'm hoping those don't blow away. And it's actually, I had to put on a cardi. It's actually kind of chilly out today. So we have toilet paper tubes. We happen to have this giant bag of birdseed. We got it for like a few dollars at Walmart last year, but you could get it like Tractor Supply, Walmart. Sometimes even grocery stores have it in the pet food aisle. So it's just a big old bag. We did a craft last year where we made birdhouses out of orange juice cartons. So this one's going to be a little bit different. So we have birdseed, toilet paper tubes. We've got peanut butter. We've got hole punch, scissors, curly Q ribbon. That's what I call it. It's just a plastic ribbon you get in the gift wrap section. We had that on hand, and a spatula for the peanut butter, a little measuring cup for our bird seed. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and punch some holes in our tube. You know what I did not do, Jordan? Can you go out there and get some little twigs?
I'm barefoot, but okay.
Look, right there. You should be able to find some. Just little, look, they need to be skinny and about yay long. Can break them. I forgot to get sticks. We're going to need some twigs for this project too.
Better not step on any.
Yeah, don't step on any stickers. So I'm going to take the hole punch and I'm going to put 4 holes at the bottom of our tube.
Hello, Leon.
Probably about a quarter inch, half inch up from the bottom. And I'll just go around the tube. And it's not super exact, that's okay. You're just eyeballing.
Skinny and long.
Are you having any luck?
No.
Maybe go look, maybe break some off of that, what's in the burn pile.
What?
See the fire pit? All right. You are? Are you going to survive? Okay. All right. They need to be across from each other. I probably have one too many. So one on this side and one directly opposite. I just need a few, or 2. He's fussing me. All right. So at the top, you just need 1 on each side for the hanger. And while he's doing that, I'm going to dump some bird seed in our tray. I've got a plastic tray here. We're just going to dump a few scoops in this tray. Kind of use your hands to spread it out. This would be fun for the kids to do. Kind of get a good layering in there. What doesn't get used, we'll just dump back in this Ziploc. So we'll put that to the side. Did you find 2? Awesome.
I'm back with my barefooted
You're
feet.
back.
With my barefooted feet.
That's awesome, bud. Okay.
They like
2 twigs.
stick
Yes,
insects.
these will probably do the job. I'll make that work. All right, we're gonna take our
It's a
hanger
tiffy.
and we're gonna go ahead and do that.
It's a tiffy.
A tiffy, what's a tiffy? Just cut off whatever, however long you want it.
Tiffy.
We're gonna tie it
Not.
in a knot. Jordan, you're gonna do the next part.
Not.
You're just gonna tie it at the top.
No,
Papa.
you're the one who told me what a tiffy is.
I did.
The giant centipede thing, my bobber.
Oh yeah, no, that was something else.
What?
I'll tell you in a minute. We were talking about movies earlier, and I was trying to explain to him the movie Tremors from the 80s. All right. So we're tying our hanger on first, like so. And then Jordan, do you want to open up the peanut butter bud?
Peanut butter.
Yes. Can you open that, please, sir?
Well, I don't know if I'm strong enough, but
I think you're strong enough. It's a gorgeous day outside, by the way. I hope you guys
Except
are
for all
getting
the wind.
sunshine. We're gonna trim the little edges off.
speaking of trimmers. There's a trimmer right there.
All right. So you end up with this, and this will be to hang it from the tree.
Peanut butter.
All right. So this is what you're gonna do, Jordan.
Okay.
You're gonna get
That
a
and
good dollop of peanut butter.
and then I'm gonna lick it.
No, don't lick it. And you're gonna put your fingers in the tube like so, and then you're just gonna spread this. Don't go, like, don't spread it over the holes. So start right here above the holes to the top, and you're gonna
Okay.
spread out your peanut butter. Can you do that?
Do birds like peanut butter?
Well, they lay like the bird seed. I'm gonna show you what to do next. So spread that just on there. Let me look like.
Dun 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 dun.
And you're just
Dun,
going to
dun.
kind of turn your toilet paper tube as you go. And we'll come back and spread it out evenly. Let's just get it off. And then you can take your little spatula or a butter knife, whatever you're using. You can lick what is on your fingers.
Dun
And
dun
just kind of
dun.
get a good, even.
I can't do it very well
You
because
got it? Here, do the rest. I'll hold this end.
I can't really do it very well because my fingers.
Well, I'll hold it. You can let go.
Well, okay.
There you go. This might require teamwork. So
This
he is spreading it out.
go
Awesome.
down. Go down.
Well,
Go down.
hold on. So that looks spread right there.
Oh.
Get it.
Oh, it was stuck.
And come down a little bit right here.
Oh, you're hurting my
There you
hand.
go.
You're hurting my
Okay.
hand.
Oh, hold on. Hold that.
Okay.
Do that. All right. Spread it right there really good. Get it good. Awesome. Okay. Now, the fun part,
Can
the
I
extra
lick-
fun part.
Can I lick
No,
what's
don't
on?
lick that
Okay.
because we're going to use it again in a second.
Oh, okay.
All right, so now what we're going to do, Jordan, is take this and we're going to kind of put our fingers, you can hold onto the string, and you're going to roll it and stick, the seed will stick to the peanut butter. Okay?
Okay.
What?
Oh.
How cool is that? Now roll it back and try to get all the peanut butter.
This kind of looks like nuts on peanut butter.
It does, huh? Like a granola bar, kind of.
Maybe.
Cool. All right. So now I know peanut butter's awesome. So now we're gonna, this is what you end up with. Isn't that cool? The birds are gonna love us. Yes, sir.
Miss Kim and Miss Robin.
Hold on, I can't see. Hashtag bifocals.
How come I don't have my glasses on and I can see them and you don't? And what the heck?
Because you're 9, dude, and I'm 49. There's a difference.
There's only a 40-year-old difference. And Miss Kelly just.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is just cut these twigs that Jordan gathered in half.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
And we are going to take them, I'm just going to take them since they're small. Jordan, do you want to grab the other end? And you're going to thread them through your holes at the bottom. Grab those and kind of pull them and stop right there. And so you can have that effect. So then when your little birdies come up to eat, they have a place to light. Is that what they light on the branch? Okay, so then you turn it around. And hopefully you can get this through. You might have to weave it through the other one.
Adjust.
Maybe.
Modify. Adjust.
Yes.
Modify.
Observe, adapt, and overcome. That's what we got to do. If we don't,
Leon!
like right now,
Leon!
you might have to help it.
Leon!
Hey, Leon, our kitty
Hi.
cat. We have an outdoor cat, and
Yep.
he's coming up. There we go.
Hello, Miss
So you
Jana.
get that one through.
Hello.
Hey, Jana.
Leon, do you
Hey,
want to say
Kim. Hey, Robin. Hey, Kelly.
hi? Oh, look.
All right.
Leon was in the
Leon
camera.
saying hi. All right. Look, Miss Jana said hi, Jordan.
Hi.
So this is what you end up with. Super simple. Great use for all those leftover toilet paper tubes. And the birds will love you. This is a great project for your littles too. Even preschoolers can do this one. It's not so difficult for them.
Unless they start
So-
licking the toilet paper. thing.
I don't think they're going to lick the toilet paper tube, but all right, so there you have it. DIY toilet paper tube bird feeders. How fun is that? So
Leon,
we're
say hi?
we have a few more toilet paper tubes we're going to make up, and then we're going to hang it in the tree for our friends. So anyway, we love you guys. I hope this inspired you to do something creative with the things that you might have on hand at home. If you enjoyed this video, sprinkle the love, send it to a friend so they can make their own bird feeders as well. Yes, sir.
The one time that the birds weren't your friend is when they once laid a nest in your...
Oh, they were not my friend then. Yes, we had a bird, a kamikaze bird, that decided to tear up one of my plants last year.
And
But we made some room for her somewhere else. But
it also remember it snipped off the windmills with the thing that would in the front porch that would hang.
Oh yeah, it snipped. It was trying to build a nest in one of our wind chimes. So yeah. So anyway, that's true. You have a good memory.
Yes, I do.
remember that. So anyway, sprinkle the love if you want to send this to a friend that might want to build their own birdhouse. And I hope this inspired you to do something crafty today. We'll be back probably tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow at
we're going to do
1:30.
something else crafty.
1:30.
Maybe. We'll see. It may or may not be 1:30.
In 24
And then
hours.
soon I'm going to get to cover Barstool, so I'm super excited about that, and I'll share that with you. So we love you guys. Enjoy your day. Is it Tuesday? It's
Yeah.
Tuesday. Enjoy your Tuesday.
Hamlet Tuesday.
Yes. Happy crafting and happy quarantine, friends. We love you. Bye.